What I want to go into now is using ChatGPT for 3 different use cases and examples of social media posts. So let's hop into it. The first example is doing a life recap or something that's synthesizing a lot of information that you'd like to share online, but you don't want to spend the time to group and rewrite all that information into one post. So the prompt we have is, I want to make a life update post for Facebook and I want to share what I've been up to. I've graduated college, I met a girl, I got a job as a software engineer, I've moved to a new city and started camping. And I want you to write a friendly and playful tone and include some jokes. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Perfect. So, hey everyone, it's been a hot minute since I last updated you all on my life, so here it goes. First things first, I finally managed to escape the clutches of college and am now officially a graduate. I swear 4 years went by so fast, went by faster than the time it takes for a pizza to disappear at a party. Speaking of parties, you know what they say about college. C's get degrees, but A's get jobs. And that's exactly what I did. So it's trying to inject some humor in there. If we like this one, we can use it, perfect. If not, we can regenerate the response and fine tune it until it matches our own speaking style and something that we'd feel comfortable sharing online. Now I want to talk about bulk writing posts. So this is a great tool to use, for example, writing 10 Twitter posts on the topic of the importance of cinematography and video lighting in the voice of a filmmaking expert. So you can really have it hone in on what topic you want to speak about and who you want to speak about it as. Perfect, so here we have our 10 different posts for Twitter, and it even added hashtags at the end, which we can swap out or remove completely. We can even change specific words in here. We could replace cinematography with videography and just really go endlessly changing and fine-tuning this until we get something we're really happy with. And lastly, let's go over one more option. So I'm gonna say, I'm a travel enthusiast. I travel to exotic destinations around the world and post stunning photos to Instagram. I want you to list 10 positive quotes that I can put into my posts on Instagram. And there you have it. We have our 10 positive travel quotes. You could really even turn these into coffee mugs, but this is a great resource. You don't have to have it generate just text for you to use, but you can also pull quotes just like this from online.